Want to make your audio sound bigger, deeper, and more dramatic? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an awesome echo effect in Adobe Audition. Let's get started. Open Adobe Audition. Import the audio file you want to add an echo effect. You can select the entire file by pressing Ctrl+A. Go to the Effects menu, choose Delay and Echo, then click on Echo.
Want to add some cool echo effects to your sound? Let's open Adobe Audition and make your audio more dynamic and professional. Want to add some cool echo effects to your sound? Let's open Adobe Audition and make your audio more dynamic and professional.
Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Apply. Thanks for watching. Now you can add echo like a pro. Don't stop here. Keep experimenting and leveling up your audio skills. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.